Tan is a common term used to describe the darkening of the skin due to exposure to the sun or artificial sources of ultraviolet (UV) radiation. There are different types of tans that people can develop. Here are some of them. Immediate tanning. Immediate tanning occurs when you spend a lot of time in the sun or under UV rays from tanning beds. It typically takes a few hours for the skin to start darkening, and the tanning effect lasts for a few days. Delayed tanning. Delayed tanning, also known as a delayed reaction, occurs when the skin is exposed to the sun for a more extended period, usually over several days. The skin doesn't darken immediately, but it can take up to 72 hours for the tanning effect to appear. Delayed tanning is typically darker and longer lasting than immediate tanning. Uniform tan. A uniform tan is the even darkening of the skin caused by prolonged exposure to the sun's rays. Farmer's tan. A farmer's tan is a pattern of tanning where the arms, face, and upper body are darker than the lower body because of clothing that covers the legs. Swimsuit tan. A swimsuit tan is a pattern of tanning that occurs when wearing a swimsuit or other clothing that covers specific areas of the body. This results in lighter skin in the areas that are covered. Sunglass tan. A sunglass tan is a pattern of tanning that occurs when wearing sunglasses, resulting in lighter skin around the eyes. Suntan. This is the most common type of tan and occurs when the skin is exposed to sunlight. The sun's UV rays stimulate the production of melanin, a pigment responsible for skin color, resulting in a darker complexion. Base tan. A base tan refers to the initial tan developed after moderate sun exposure. Some people believe that having a base tan can offer some protection against sunburn, although it is not a substitute for proper sun protection. Deep tan. A deep tan is a darker and more pronounced tan that is achieved with extended exposure to the sun or tanning beds. It usually takes longer to develop and can be more difficult to fade. Artificial tan, also known as a fake tan or sunless tan, this type of tan is achieved using self-tanning products such as lotions, sprays, or creams. These products contain dihydroxyacetone, DHA, which reacts with the amino acids on the skin's surface, producing a temporary tan color. Spray tan. Spray tans are a form of artificial tanning where a fine mist of tanning solution is sprayed onto the skin. This type of tan provides a quick and even application and can be done in a professional salon or using at-home spray tan kits. Tan lines. Tan lines occur when certain areas of the skin are protected from the sun either by clothing or sunscreen, resulting in visible lines or contrasting areas of tanned and untanned skin. Farmer's tan. This type of tan occurs when the skin on the arms and face is exposed to the sun while working outdoors, while the torso remains covered by clothing. It often results in a noticeable contrast between the tanned and untanned areas. Bikini tan. A bikini tan refers to the tan lines that appear when wearing a bikini or swimwear. The areas covered by the swimsuit will remain lighter, while the exposed skin will tan. Regardless of the type of tanning, it's important to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by wearing protective clothing and using sunscreen. And don't forget to visit our website. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel. Share the video. Like, comment.